2025. Davis Mberia, KTN Sports.
Now into golf, NCBA has launched its 2025 golf activities at the Kenya Railway Golf Club, kicking off the 5th edition of the NCBA Golf Series. The bank has renewed partnerships with the Kenya Golf Union, Junior Golf Foundation, and added a new collaboration with the Professional Golfers of Kenya. With a Kenya shillings 6 million investment, NCBA will host 159 golf events across Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, and Rwanda.
Today we announced sponsorship for 155 activities this year, 60 million in sponsorship, cutting across the various organizations. This is a Kenya sponsorship, not to speak of the other sponsorship that we're doing for the other countries across the region.
This is quite significant because we have felt for a long time, at least for a couple of years now, that there has been a blockage.
Now to the EPL, Chelsea returned to the Premier League action